We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone sound problem and it not working. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's an annoying problem when iPhone sound isn't working, as you then can't go and hear things, so we've got some different fixes you can try. To get started, drag down from the top right of your device. Just try increasing your volume here, that may go and fix the problem, so you increase it all the way up. Go and see if you can then go and hear it. If you still can't, and you're finding it's happening in a certain app, what we can try doing is turning off silent mode. Above your volume rockers, you've got this button here. On older iPhones, it's a switch. You can push it up or go and hold it. Make sure it goes and says ring, and then you can go and see if you can now go and hear things. For the next fix, open up your settings. What you need to do is go and find Bluetooth, and you want to try turning it off. Your device may go and be connected to a Bluetooth device and trying to output there, so try turning it off and see if the problem is solved. If you're finding it's happening in a certain app, try restarting the app. So if YouTube, you could go and swipe up on it, close it, and then open it again, and go and see if it then goes and works. Last of all, try performing a restart. So you can press the increase volume button, then the decrease, and hold down the side power button. Now keep this held down, shortly your phone screen will go black. As you can see, and then release it when you see the Apple icon. That's it. When it starts, hopefully it's now working. I hope this video solved your problem.